The last one, the biggest one, would be this one. So I wonder what's inside this thing. MSA. Ay, di ko alam kung ano yung MSA. What's up guys? So welcome back again at ngayon ay dumating na ang ating mga packages from Amazon. So mag-unboxing tayo ngayon. So tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga laman ng aking mga padala. Things that I purchased from Amazon. So actually I'm aware what is inside but I'm not really sure what in that box. So kung ano ba talaga yung which is which, you know? Kung ano ba talaga yung nandun item sa box na yan. So let's see. Okay, so yan na yung mga ating masukay. Yan. Put pa rito. So these are things for my GoPro. Kasi meron akong GoPro 8. Yan. So what I did is yan. So sinetapan ko siya. Yan. Set natin siya sa vlogging camera. Okay. So tingnan natin kung ano ba yung ano. Okay. Tingnan natin guys ha. Kung ano ba yung laman. Tayo. Tingnan natin. Tama di ba? Natin to. So, una natin is ang Ulanzi GoPro 8 vlog cage. Very nice. Looks nice. Wait nga. Gusto kong minom ng alak. Tayo. X muna. There you go. So I have the Ulanzi G85 GoPro 8 cage. Okay. And then the G87 Ulanzi chargeable lid. So yung gilid ito eh. This is a chargeable lid na gilid. And then susubukan natin ang Ceramic SRX MI. So it's a bidirectional microphone na pwede siyang front and back. Na pwede siyang natutbus siya. And then syempre, we have the Muff or the dead cat, what they call. Okay. Teka lang ha guys ha, kasi may nagtatanong regarding AdSense.
1 hour later.
Okay, so much for that. Tingnan mo natin itong adorama na to. Itong adorama. Scissor na. Iba naman ito. So what's inside this adorama? Oh, okay. I get it. Okay. So I have the 3.5mm mic adapter for the GoPro. It's the original one. Go. Okay. And then syempre, isang malaking box. Isang malaking box. I'm not sure kung ano bang meron dito. Pero yun natin. Oh, look at that. Haha. Guys, yung in-order kong mani. Ayan, dumating na in-order kong mani, planters. So, honey roasted peanuts. Guys, ang sarap. Sobra sarap nito talaga. I love it. Especially with my beer. Sige. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung hindi expired. Baka expired eh. So it's really nice, oh. See how big it is. It's almost 1 kilogram. Sarap na. So it's still sealed. Yeah. Sarap guys. Look. Sarap. Tapon pa. I've ordered 4 of those. Tingnan ko kung may uwi ko. Sarap. Yan, may pulutan ako kada gabi, diba? Ito ba natin tip? Okay. $1 down. Okay. Yan. Planters all the way here. Next is this big one. Another box. Ano dito? Talaga naman eh. Nga. Up. Pag mabango yung mani, masarap, no? Yun. Since guys, coffee lover ako, matingin na ang ating Nescafe. Yan. So, mahilig sa medical team kasi, sobrang hilig namin sa coffee talaga. So, ako, ang dalawang senior doctor, yung unang kong senior doctor, then meron naman isang senior doctor. So, we really love coffee. So, there you go. What is this? The Taster's Choice House Blend. So, I think I have 1. So, 2. There's another one here. And here's another box. Tignan mo yung box. So another house blend. So I think I got 4 of these. Yeah, may 4 akong house blend. Yung blend. Okay. Then the last one, the biggest one, would be this one. So I wonder what's inside this thing. MSA. Ay, di ko alam kung anong MSA. Anyway, let's check. It came from, sabi rito, anyway, saan na natin? Okay. Brown envelope pa. At may isang box na naman sa loob. So I'm not really sure kung ano ba to. Tignan nga natin. Oh! Guess what? I have the Lego! Diba guys? This is for my daughter. Aww. So she personally, I mean, I gave her the website. I gave them the website to check which Lego she wants. So this is the one that she picked, and I think it's really nice. So it's good for 8 years old, not above, and 1,000 pieces of it. So for sure she'll be happy because I'm going home this Christmas. I mean before Christmas. And for sure she'll be happy. So here are the things that I got. Package that I got from them. So let's have a look. So of course I have the planters which is open already. My beer. Oh, it's really nice. The GoPro setup. Another planters. The coffee. And the big Lego box here. Ikot. Alright. So, guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa aking pag-unbox ng mga Amazon packages ko from that one, those things, di ba? Saya-saya, di ba? So, ito lang naman usually mga katuwa namin dito on board to buy something for us since nag-work din tayo. And at the same time, this is something like na kailangan gawin natin sa sarili natin kasi nag-work na tayo para malibang-libang tayo. So, thank you so much for staying tuned and see you on my next unboxing.